The dashboard is your main page to view all the important metrics, such as price optimization, competitors, anomalies, and many other details. With one click, you'll find relevant topics. At the top, you can see the seller's name and the number of users created in the account. You have the option to switch between the Amazon, eBay, and ShopSPY products. If you've linked multiple marketplaces, you can switch between different marketplaces. Next to the marketplace, you'll see symbols for saved settings, like the external price file, for example. Just click and you'll be there. Now I'm getting to the actual key figures from the dashboard, starting with the status of price optimization. The strategies are sorted based on their frequency of use, and the basic strategy settings are already visible and supplemented with tooltips. The dealer analysis gives you an insight into the most important competitors. You can view a summary of your items based on their condition and shipping method, as well as items that have special features, all in one place. For Amazon and eBay, you can find a graphic showing the sales of the last 30 days. From here, go straight to sales. Also, observe the current business development in a time comparison. You can change the home page by selecting the article list from the settings in the top right corner. Dashboard as homepage for important metrics. Share suggestions or ideas for dashboard. We're open to hearing them. Use dashboard as your homepage for access to important metrics.